Welcome to N Dimensions channel. I am Nithin Jose from Kerala, India. Basically, I am a school teacher and also a IT enthusiastic. I am teaching physics in secondary classes. Today, I would like to share a 3D interactive simulation made by me, which is a simulation of AC generator, which is a topic in our physics classes. I think this ICT tool will help teachers and students of secondary classes to understand or teach the working principle of an AC generator. Let's look into it. Here I have provided the AC generator interactive simulation in three formats. One is the Linux format, Linux binary file, which you can use it in Linux based machines like Ubuntu, Debian, etc. The second one is Windows based binary file, which is an exe file, which you can use it in the Windows machines. The third one is HTML5 format, which you can use in browsers. Here I am demonstrating the Linux version because I am using a Ubuntu based operating system, which is a Linux machine. First, we have to give permission to execute this file, so that we have to right click on it and take the properties, go to the permission tab and make sure execution permission is allowed. Then we can double click on this binary file. It will open the simulation. This is the 3D interactive simulation of AC generator. We can full screen it. You can see different objects in this scene. First, we can understand how to navigate in the 3D scene. For that, you can left click on the anywhere in the screen and drag to rotate the view. Here you can see we can view the objects from any angle. Next, you can use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can roll the mouse wheel forward and to zoom and backward to zoom out. Now you can right click and drag to pan the view. We can pan left or right like this. Then here are lots of objects in the scene. We can make any objects to the center of the screen, which is we can say that the rotation center. Bring that object to the rotation center. For that, you have to click on that object. I am clicking the galvanometer. It will become the center of the screen. Then if you rotate the view, the galvanometer will be the center of the 3D scene. You can click the ring, slip rings. You can click the brush. You can click armature, etc. These are the basic navigation of the interactive simulation. Now we can go through the other things. Here you can see a water wheel. Water is flowing through it, through this pipe. Because of that, the wheel is rotating. A armature is attached to the water wheel. It will rotate the armature. You can see an EMF is induced on this armature, which is resulting, we can see that the galvanometer is deflecting to the positive side and negative side. We can also see a graphical representation of the EMF produced in the coil. Now let us move to the other control of this interactive simulation. You can see a show controls button here. Click here. It will reveal lots of controls here. First I will show field lines. You can turn on the field lines visualization using this button. You can see that the coil is rotating in a magnetic field. Next you can see the current visualization using this switch. It will show the current flowing through the coil and circuit. We can see in circuit current flowing through the circuit. We can see the direction is reversing on each half rotations. You can pause this animation by clicking this animation pause button. It will pause the animation, but we can rotate the view. We can make center any objects. Only the rotation and other animation is paused, but we can navigate through the scene and understand different things in this particular moment. You can anytime resume that animation. Here is another control, armature speed. We can control the armature speed by controlling this slider. We can see that while armature speed slider increases, the tap opens and closed. Then the water flow, we can control it. It will change the speed of the water wheel and the armature. Here you can see the while changing the armature speed, the EMF produced is also changed. That will reflect in the galvanometer as well as the graph. Here is another control, animation speed. This control only changes the animation speed. It will slow down and faster the animation only. We can see that no changes will be affected to the galvanometer and the graph. If we increase the armature speed, you can see that the amplitude and frequency of the EMF produced is changing. Here is an oscilloscope switch also available here. You can turn on and it will give you a oscilloscope screen in the 2D level, so that we can move the different views, but the oscilloscope graph will be there. These are the basic controls and setup of this interactive 3D simulation of this AC generator. Here you can see a information button. By clicking it, you will get the about page and the licensing of this animation interactive simulation, and there is a brief help on this interactive simulation. This is the interactive I have made. I think you are now able to handle this tool to demonstrate or learn the working principle of an AC generator. Your valuable suggestions can be right in the comment section. You can download this tool from the description box. Your suggestions are valuable. It will help the development process of these type of tools and improve its quality. Thank you.